Soak okra in water overnight and drink it in the morning for wondrous health benefits your body needs. Okra is a vegetable that has a weird texture and finger-like appearance. You need to know that this one would be a good addition to your diet, and it is also very beneficial for the health. It can also help treat and prevent diabetes. If you are still not ready to cook with it, wait. We can tell you something you need to know about okra water. This one is also famous by the name of Helminthes esculentus. It comes from tropical countries from the Eastern Hemisphere. It is a fuzzy pod plant that contains seeds and a gelatinous substance that makes it perfect for thickening soups or adding some texture to dishes. Health benefits of okra. Apart from it being full of vitamins B and C, potassium, calcium, and folic acid, it can offer the 4 major health benefits. 1. High in fiber. Its high fiber content makes it perfect for the digestive system. It also helps it more, and it relieves hunger cravings by keeping you fuller longer. Moreover, it can help to keep the blood sugar balanced as well. 2. Fights fatigue. One study discovered that if you combine it with physical activity, it can enable you to exercise longer without making you feel tired. 3. Stress levels. Another study proved that there is an antioxidant that okra seeds contain that can have an anti-stress effect. This was discovered in the bloodstream of mice. However, there is hope that humans can also benefit from this. 4. Reduce blood sugar and prevent diabetes. This study was also done on mice. However, it discovered that okra can lower the blood sugar levels in diabetic mice. So, foods that are high in fiber can possibly help people that are suffering or at risk of diabetes. How to make okra water. You can add okra to soups, stews, salads, and stir-fry also. However, if you do not like its taste, then you can always make okra water. You just need 3 to 5 okra pods and a glass of water. When you get these, soak the okra pods overnight and then remove in the morning. That is all. You can also thinly slice the pods, which will make the water taste even better. By doing this, you will be able to get the best benefits from the okra. It might seem like this is a strange vegetable, but as you can see, it can be really beneficial. Therefore, do not hesitate to try it.